Let's take a look at payment system that Indicate provides. In Indicate, you get access to a plans dashboard where you can manage your plans. For example, I have already created a pro plan here. Let's edit it. So here we can see that we can configure our plans with the help of UI. For example, the name of my plan is Pro Plan, code name is Pro. We can leave this required coupon count as empty because this is required for running lifetime deal campaigns. And here we can configure if it is a default plan or not. If it will be a default plan, then this plan will be assigned to every user that will sign up for your application. And then we can configure the one-time pricing, monthly pricing, and yearly pricing. As you will toggle this option, you will see there is an input box on the right side, and you can configure these input boxes as per your payment gateway. For example, in case of Stripe, we have to configure the Stripe price ID here. If it is Lemon Squeezy, then you have to enter the Lemon Squeezy product ID here. And in case for Dodo Payments, you have to enter Dodo Payments product ID here. After these configurations are done for all the pricings like one-time pricing, monthly pricing, and yearly pricing, you can set up the quotas. So quotas are a concept that allows us to restrict a user's actions or to render something based on a user's plan. For example, we can have a quota if we have a number of monthly images, or we can have a quota if user has access to premium support. We can configure such quotas here. And in order to configure your quotas, you need to go to your DB folder. Inside DB, go to schemas folder, and here go to plan. So this is a quota schema that you can edit, or you can ask AI to edit for you. You can include things like premium support, and by default it is false. After that, you have to update super admin as well. For that, here is the plan form, and we just renamed can use app to premium support. Let's do it, premium support. Let's save it. Here we can see within seconds we can configure quotas for our plan. So after toggling it, every pro user will have access to this premium support. Let's update the plan. Done. So we can create as many plans as we want. Like we can have a business plan, we can have a pro plan, or maybe we can also have a free plan where we can provide 10 monthly images or something like that. You can also assign plans to a user by going to user, click on the user, and from here you can change his plan. For example, if you have your friend and you want to upgrade his plan, you can easily do that. Now let's say you want to integrate Stripe to your application, then you can follow this Stripe integration guide where I have listed each and every step that you need to configure Stripe. For example, you have to create your account. After setting up everything, you have to set up your webhook as well. And while working on your local host, you have to run these commands, which is going to take care of webhooks on your local system while working. So I have explained these things in the working of one-time payments and subscriptions. You can check it out there.